Now, how can you use the microphone in Discord on your Android? Let me get started and show you how it would work if it's your first time on Foxtecc. Subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So naturally, Discord is a third-party app which you need to have downloaded and installed from the Play Store. But then when you go to your settings and manage your privacy and security, which is in this literally called this section. So you can get inside and manage your permissions manager. So you can see the permissions manager is right there. Tap on a microphone and all of the apps which you have installed can either access it or don't have the permissions to do so. But you can most definitely find a Discord in this list right here. So you can scroll through the apps. Most likely it's going to be part of the not allowed if you don't have the ability to use it now. So click on a Discord. And it's giving me a few options. Assuming that you cannot use it right now, you probably also have it set to not allowed, which you can most definitely change. You can change it to ask every time, meaning that it can work, but it will always ask you to confirm it manually while using the app, or the option at the top, which is called allow only while using the app. So of course, when the app is closed, the Discord cannot access your mic, but while using it, it's going to have the permission to access it. So that's how you can enable it. One more thing though, if you come back to the main security and privacy, make sure you go to the additional privacy controls and make sure that the microphone access is also turned on in here. So everything works fine, but once you have those things set up, you can most definitely make sure that your Discord works in terms of your microphone and the proper audio. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I will catch you later in the future uploads.